was your precise relationship with these individuals who were going around in Afghanistan? Did you, in Iraq, they were paid. Did you contribute to that payment at all?
I think Mr. Shiner funded their office. So
they were given an allocation of per cases that they got. That's in the public domain at the moment from Phil Shiner. Did you contribute to that at all? Did Lee Day contribute to the costs of these two agents in any way?
Well, there's two separate things.
No, it's a simple question.
Did you pay them or did?
Yeah, we did pay them. Yeah,
you paid them to go around Iraq and scoop up claims that you could bring against British soldiers.
We paid them.
No. It's a really simple question. I understand what you're doing in terms of moving around the language and so on, but it's a really simple question. Did you pay those agents to go around and collect claims against British soldiers in Iraq? Yes or no?
No.
So what did you pay them to do?
Well, as I was explaining to you, that what we did was that they provided cases initially to Phil Shiner. Phil Shiner then referred them on to us. We didn't pay any money initially to them directly. However, we did get them to do work for us. One of the great difficulties of Iraq, for the reasons we've said before, we couldn't go into Iraq to interview the clients. So we had to get them out to the neighbouring countries. We needed to get them out. We needed to use people like Abu Jamal.
But you're kind of talking us out of time here. Okay, I asked you previously, did you pay these individuals? You said yes.
Yes,
okay?
I did.
I've just asked you then and you said no. Which is it?
No, you just said no.
No.
You said to me,
I'm very clear what I said to you. Did you pay for people to go around and collect claims against British soldiers? Not directly, but did you pay into these two agents who were going around and collecting claims against British soldiers?
You asked me if we paid them to collect claims.
Well, I'm asking you that now. What's the answer?
What I'm explaining to you is that
I don't need you to explain anything to me. Why don't you just answer the question?
Well, I did answer the question exactly. The question you asked,
I've just answered. You gave me two different answers. You said yes, we paid them, and no, I didn't pay them. So
because you gave me two different questions.
I asked you very clearly. You can see you're very clever at this, and I respect it. I absolutely respect it. In some ways, I don't blame people like you who exploit the system like this and the MOD and what goes on and the very sort of difficult scenarios of warfare and things like that. I don't blame you for it because you're making money out of it. The reason you don't go after individual soldiers, I'd suggest, is simply because there's no money in it for you. But it's a very simple question as to whether or not you paid agents to go around Iraq and collect claims against British soldiers, whether directly or indirectly through Phil Shiner or Mazin Yunus or any of these individuals. Yes or no?
We did not pay them to go around Iraq to collect cases, no.
What did you
What we
pay
did
them for?
pay them for is where they referred cases onto us, or cases that came to them, they then referred on to us. We then paid them.
So what are you paying them for then?
For the fact that they're referring on the cases.
Right, so you are paying them for some sort of service?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so you're paying them to collect, for some sort of service, to collect claims against British soldiers
to
in Iraq.
refer on cases to us, yes.
So it was like an introduction fee?
It was a referral fee. Exactly a referral fee.
Right.
Okay, I'm not entirely sure how that's different from going around collecting cases.